Alright mates, we're finally here. The old methane planet of Uranus. Oh boy, let me tell you, that fart monster we fought a while back, we would have loved to live here, because it stinks. Woo! Now, let me just see who we're on the roster to race today. Let me just take a look at seems we might have made a mistake, kids. You remember that race we did back on Mars with Chad Martian? Well, today's race, we're racing his dad, Mr. Martian. And he's not too happy, it seems. I'll let you see for yourself what he has to say. Well, we're in for a ride today.
Yar, avast, ye earthling squabs, ye face the wrath of cyborg pirate. I heard my son on Mars raced you, and you beat him unfairly. Wrath.exe activated. Wrath.exe activated. Terminate. 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 I will now race you in race, and we shall see who is truly the greatest space pirate racer in the universe. Avast now your ship and prepare for boarding. We shall race to the edge of my planet, Uranus. You will lose today, Earthlings.